Hello, Mom and Dad. This is your Gmail tutorial. You can find, there can be different ways that you can sign into Gmail. But one way is to just go to Google and you can see Gmail right here up in the corner. You can also just put in the bar, this bar here, just www.gmail.com, and that can get you there as well. But if I click on Gmail, you'll notice you would need to sign in. These are all of our Gmail accounts. I'm going to go to my Fort Hays State Gmail account. And so this is just an email, and you'll see on your email the two things that I shared with you. But before you open those, I want to show you how you find your drive. So right over here, you'll follow my mouse right over here, and this array, you're going to click on that. And you can see all of the different things that you can do here. If you click on Drive, this is like a thumb drive or a zip drive. This is a virtual one or an online one, so you can keep all of your documents right here on this drive, which can be accessed to any computer. You don't have to have anything with you. So from here, mine is full of things. Yours is going to be empty because you don't have probably anything in it yet. But so this is where if you click New, you can get a new folder to put items in to organize. Doc, Google Doc, that's equivalent to a Microsoft Word document. A sheet is equivalent to an Excel, a Microsoft Excel document. And then Google Slide is equivalent to a Microsoft PowerPoint. So those are the options. There's more, but those are the three main things that we can just look at now. The things that I shared with you, if you go over here and you see Shared with Me, and you click on it, you'll see the items that I shared with you. That means that I included you. I clicked on them, which I can do another tutorial, and I shared with you so that you have access to them. So if you right-click on it, you'll notice that this comes up and it says Add to My Drive. So if you click on Add to My Drive, then you will make a copy of it in your drive. So you'll see now Social Media Policy, I believe that's what I just brought to my drive. So you'll see that it's here. Now the one thing that is different, and it's a big difference between Microsoft Word and Google Docs, is it's a live document. So anything on that shared document that you change, it changes on my document. You don't have to say that it automatically saves. If we were to have it open at the same time, I could see exactly what you're doing on my screen. I can see your cursor. I can see everything. So it's a live document. So it's something that I love, but it's also something that I had to get used to. So if you want to save an original document, you have to copy that document because it automatically updates, it automatically saves to the Google Drive. So keep that in mind as you're working with documents, that you don't have to resave anything if you're changing it, but know that whatever you change will then be a permanent change. You can't go back to that original document. So on shared items particularly, you want to be careful with, because if you're changing something, you have to make sure that that other person is okay with sharing it. If you want to go back to your email, it's still up, so it opens your drive in a separate, I have a whole bunch of tabs open, but in a separate tab it will open your drive up. The awesome thing also is it has a calendar, and if I were to click on calendar, I'm just going to show you my Spring Hill one. This is the calendar that I prefer to use because it has everything on it. It has all of my work items, and it also has personal items, all different color coded. So if it's purple, it means it's an all-school item. If it's blue, it means it's a school item for me personally. If it's red, it's like I'm included on it and I can decide if I want to go, kind of. But then yellow is personal piano lessons, so I can see on one shared calendar that I can get anywhere. I can pull it up on my phone, I can pull it up at work, and I can share these items with anybody with a Google Calendar so they can see all of the events. I can also turn things off, so if I don't want something on there, then I can turn off the calendar and not see it. So it's a good way to keep everybody in the loop. I think that's everything that we'll talk about today. Adios.